Hi guys, so little hair tip coming at you. I did this hairstyle last week and I do have a tutorial coming for this video, so hit the notifications bell so you will know exactly when I upload it, because it's still looking absolutely fabulous. So I'm coming at you today with a hair grip tip. And basically, some of you already may know this and use this method, which is amazing, but some of you may not, so I'm hoping that you will learn something today. So I've got a blonde grip and I've got a brown grip here, and basically I did always find it really hard trying to choose which colour grips. Obviously you bring two different sets of grips, so you've got blonde and brown and black, for all different hair colours. So basically I'm here today to tell you, you don't need to do that. Literally, these two grips, you shouldn't be able to see them anyway. So when you're putting these in the hair, you just should not be able to see the grips. So it really does not matter what colour you go with. You can have black, brown, blonde, for all different hair colours, and just bring one set of grips with you. It just makes life so much easier. So I hope that really helped. I hope you learned something. If you did, let me know in the comments, and yeah, have an amazing day.